Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Few days back I uploaded the video or reel related to ChatGPT, free ChatGPT, and it got viral. Now I thought we should have a big or a large video on that so that I can show you the step by step process for that. Okay, now let's start. Let's put ChatGPT here, ChatGPT, or you can just directly put chatgpt.com. You will find this basic page, and hey, let's say it says introducing new improved memory and all those things. It's a little bit help info. We'll just skip as of now. Now you can see the options here like a new chat, search chat, and all those things. Here you can see your login passwords, login details. Here you can see chat GPT versions. As of now it's a basic chat GPT, and now I will show you how to upgrade to the ChatGPT Go, which is the next version of this basic ChatGPT, for a free for next 12 months. This is offer directly from ChatGPT, so I'll show you how to do it step by step. First of all, you will see this button at the top of this ChatGPT page. You should click on this for an upgrade for a free. Now it will show you the different plans of the ChatGPT. So basically, as of now, you are on this basic plan. Okay. Now, ChatGPT is giving option to upgrade to this Go version with the zero fees. Okay. So what you are getting additional options. So expanded options to get ChatGPT or GPT-5, which is better version of a ChatGPT, better messaging and replies, the longer memory and all those things stuffs. You can see it here what are the basic and what is the Go option. So I prefer to go for upgrade. So just click on upgrade to Go. So it is loading the plan for us and going ahead with the payment option. So now it will show you the summary. So you have to pay 0 per month and you are getting the Go subscription, and this 399 rupees charges will start after 12 months. So what it is saying, 12 months free trial. So after 12 months free trial, they will charge us 399. You use it thoroughly, and if you find it better, you can pay 399 after 12 months. But for 12 months, it is free for Go ahead. So just select the whatever options you prefer. I usually prefer UPI option, so I'll click here the UPI. You put your name, address, and the UPI ID. Click here once you put all the things, and click on the subscribe button. So once you fill the all details and do the payment option, it will just deduct 1 or 2 rupees from your account. Don't worry, and it will be free for 12 months. So it will reload the page for the ChatGPT as it's loads directly loaded for me. So you can clearly see here now you are at a ChatGPT 5 version. Okay, this is flagship model, and this is a better version of the basic ChatGPT. Okay, further you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, and here are the plans. So we are already here, so it is saying your current plan, which is Go, and which we are having it for a for 12 months as a free. And these are the rest of the plans. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and buy those for your whatever purpose you are serving. Like say business also they have few other structure, and personal also they have some other payment structure. Okay, you go ahead and select it whatever you prefer. As of now, I will go for a ChatGPT Go, as it is free for 12 months, and you can enjoy these many options with us. Hope you find this video helpful. We'll connect again with such great tips which will help you in your real life and your workplaces also. Thanks for watching.